Hey, what's up? So I decided to enter on US30. So I'm playing the top here. Nice rejection. If you go on the 1 hour, we have this bottom act as a top. So I understand that on the 1 hour is like a minor level, but there's still potential for the price to reject the area because you are bearish, right? So let's see how it's gonna play out, man. So enter here, hit TP1. I didn't close anything. Ultimately, I want the price to break this area here to reach my TP2 and then go down to my TP4 here. And ultimately, you see this level. So I don't know if it will give it to me, but come on, man. Break, break. See the hesitation, bro? There's a lot of hesitation, so I don't know why the price doesn't go down, bro. Go now. Go now, bro. Do you see the nice 30 minutes closure? Below this top, below here. Just hope it's like a distribution phase before dropping. See it, man. Let it cook, I guess. Finally. Woo! Woo! Crazy. So two position out, bro. Two position out. Yeah, yeah. So I was able to skip TP1, TP2, TP3. Boom. Finally, you see here, bro. I was like, bro, I'm already almost TP4, bro. And then boom. Ay, ay, ay. What a ride. What a ride. So I still have one position. Still have one position. I will try to max it out. What a ride. Crazy. Keep going, man. It keeps going. So let's go on the 1 hour. Has to break below here, the 200 area, 39, 200. Let's go, man. Wow, beautiful. Oof, what a ride, man. What a ride. So I put the TP, my final TP at 29, 30 something, 29, 35. It's kind of ambitious. Still going. It's still going, bro. Bro, it's still going. Still going. I'm out. I'm out. Woo! Damn, bro. Damn, bro. So I had TP here. Woo! What a ride, bro. What a ride. Come on, man. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow, but damn, damn, bro. 172. So oops, 72.19. That's my final. I did close everything. Woo! End up with what? 1 to 5. Yeah, yeah. 72.19. Yeah, it is a 1 to 5. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Trust your setup. Depends. Of course, it depends on your setup, but this one, wow. Boom. So I decided to hold it, even if it hit TP1 here. Boom. Because of this rejection here, it's like a smart money move, a small smart money move. Boom, boom, lower high. So it should make a lower low. It did make that lower low, hit TP3. I decided to hold it again. And I was like, okay, it has to stay below this area. So it stay and then whoop, 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 whoop. And then for a couple minutes, bro, it has the potential to reverse. It has the potential to reverse because of this bar area, right? So I decided to keep it and trust my setup and then boom, hit it and hit TP5. Crazy ride. Woo! So I hope you're also having a great week. 2000 pips move. Let's get it. God bless.